Let's work on the almost isometric grand plié, because actually it's almost a grand plié too. So again, the word grand means big. However, again, I want to try to impress upon you that it's not how low you go or how big your plié is, because as a matter of fact, most dancers do too much plié, and as a result, their body is so low to the floor, they end up lifting themselves up, and that shows. So again, what we're really trying to find is more of the muscular connection from the floor to your toe, to the foot, and up the leg to the hip. So now I want you to stand with your feet about 2 foot lengths apart. So this is a little bit bigger. We don't usually dance in a second position this wide. But once more like this, and you know you're still number one. So again, if you can see yourself in the mirror, you see where the top of your head is, you try to keep that there, because again, I've already begun working with my toes, and the foot's working, and you can see my knee is moving. I'm not bending my knee. It's coming from my foot, and I'm making it very hard for my foot to do that because I'm resisting. 50% of my energy is going up to match 50% of what I'm doing with my foot and my leg. And you want to be very careful. Don't let go here, right? You don't want to do anything like this or lean over, ears back. So there you are. You're turned out in your second position. And then again, to come out of the plié, spread your foot and just slowly push down, slowly. So this is all slow motion, slow. That's how the music's going to be. So again, when you start, you try to look at yourself. There you are. Keep this up. Keep this up here, keep this up here, keep this here, and then just wait until you can find the movement coming from your toe, from your foot. That's what we're really practicing. We're not practicing the position, we're practicing the movement, because over and over, you're going to have to do pliés, not necessarily like this, but using these muscles, all right? And then the idea would to come out of the plié, pushing down slowly, 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 until once again, you feel your weight is reaching the floor. You're standing by yourself, like that. All right, let's have Sachiko do it with the music. All right, let's do it with the music. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1. So you hardly see anything happening yet. 2, this is 3. So it's like invisible movement. You can feel your muscles working, but you can hardly see that you're moving. That's what's most important. And this is enough. This is enough of a plié. Okay, now you're going to reverse it. Spread your foot, slower. And now you think you don't want to come up. So you're making your feet and legs work. Resist, resist. Slow. The tops of your legs are turned out. Okay, now you can just rest for a moment. Okay, now let's start again. 1. And let's see where the head is and your eyes. So up to your head and chest, and hips up. Now can you just take your hand off the bar? Just, yeah, that's it. Good. We want to test your balance, right? Slow, slow. Okay, now you're reversing the idea. Slowly, push, keep the hips. Good. You're always in number 1. Slow, strong feet, strong legs. 6. 7. Okay, now put your hand on the bar. Okay, now I want you to push down and rise. So we're just going to take a little releve here. Okay, now can you balance that? Like that. Okay, good. Put your hands on the bar and then relax. And then you can just close and put your feet together. Right. And just rest.